Hey, what's up, fellas? This is the video for this shovel winner's choice. We are live. 947. 947. List here. 10 entries. Teak on the top. Matthew on the bottom. 2 dice. 5 or higher. 11 times at 947. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. You got Greg on the top. Let's go 11. Good luck at 947. 947. Last and final roll. Top spot gets it. Congratulations goes to spot 4, Jeffrey. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Go ahead and pick the shovel you want and let me know. We are done at 948. 948. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.